Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to talk about my digital painting. This is my one of my not one of my. This is the first time I'm uploading with the commentary section because I want to talk how horrible my painting is. I actually tried five or four times before making a final decision here. So I hope you stay with me with this piece of garbage right here. I promise you, you won't be learning anything, but you will be figuring out what not to do while digital painting. Watching this video. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So right off the start, I am giving some texture because painting on a white canvas is just plain boring. Now I am establishing the foreground right here. So my theme is the desert right here. So whenever I paint on a white canvas, I always think of the theme. So if it's a desert, I need to use the orange color. Sorry, I came out. Now right off the bat, I am establishing the scenery here. So the main scenery is uh, you know a camel walking in the desert. I think it's a sunrise painting or sunset painting. It doesn't matter, both are same. So in the sides, I am establishing the mountain regions to make it look more interesting, but it's not working out. Anyway, I'm giving it a dark color because in the foreground everything will be darker, but as you progress by layer after layer in the background, it starts to get lighter because of the light and dust. you know your eyes won't make out any textures which is far away from your eyes. So all you see is plain colors as you go away further. So as you can see in the very back, it's almost like just one colored layer of mountain. But if you see in the foreground, it's filled with many colors and textures. It's not the best, but I'm trying there. Right now, I'm horribly trying to establish the light coming from the sun to the foreground. It's not good. I must say it's not good. And I'm using gradient to make the sky. So my main theme is to create a orange layered sky to show the sunlight hitting the sky and making it look like a sunset theme. But it's not working for me. So I try I tried many times, and I almost spent, I think this took me the 2 hours to do the digital painting, and in the end it was a mediocre art. And I don't know, still I kept on trying. So the sky is bad and the sun looks like a white blob. So I need to make it more realistic. So in further as you progress in this video, you will see what I will do. Okay, right now I'm trying to make this I don't know, these mountains more look more like mountains. I don't know. I try and try and try and try and make it to give it a various textures. Still I feel it's lacking something, and I keep on messing things up. So don't worry, the further you watch this, it will get better, I hope so. Okay. The one thing I missed in this painting is establishing the light on the edges of the mountains, because the sun is all the way back there. Okay, right now I am cutting out the characters, cutting out the camel from this image. I took it from Unsplash. I will link down in the description. I'm using mouse right now because I don't own any tablets or anything. So I cut out the figure. uh, it's really difficult to paint characters using mouse, so I just cut out. I don't know where would I have been if there was no, best photographers around the world, because another thing is most of the time I use reference images because my imagination sucks. So this whole painting you're seeing right now on the artboard, I used some reference images, and it's purely based on someone's photography skill. Right now I am smudging out the edges so that it will look like I have drawn it on the artboard. So I am smudging it out. It looks more like a painting. Now I need to establish the shadows. So I make a copy of the original one and you know position it down and drag it out. So the shadows are all the way to the black one. Another thing is you need to put on the navigator tab there, because you need to keep on watching the navigation tab, because as you zoom out, some things will look unnatural. So when you're zoomed in it feels okay, but when you zoom out it feels unnatural. So always keep the navigation, I think it's called navigator tab on, so that you can see the whole artboard in a single look. Okay, I have established the character. I think the scenery is okay. Now I am back to the sky model. I need to do something, so I kept on trying to use the gradient tool and make it look more natural, so to match with the foreground. So I failed horribly, so what I do is I fucked off the gradient tool and just use the one of my, it's not my, what's it called, brushes, but I have borrowed it from one of my favorite digital artists online. His name is Ahmad Iwan. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but he has taught me a lot about digital painting. So I have borrowed brushes from him. Please check his channel out. It's very interesting. So right now I am giving it a various shades of color, trying to mimic the orange sky. So always use the reference images for inspiration. Now I am putting the white blob of sunlight there. Now it looks half decent. It's okay. It's okay, I believe. uh, Next, now I'm putting back the, you know highlighting the main characters here. So it's not working out right now because the surrounding is brighter than the brightest region. So what you should do is, right now I'm trying to add the dark region in the, away from the characters. So what you need to do is make the surrounding dark, and the main theme, the main subject here is camel and the man, brighter, so that they stand out. It's like adding the contrast to make painting look more, interesting. So right now I'm just adjusting everything now and making the sun look more real. Sorry, I have a little nose snorting problem. I promise I'm not snorting cocaine or anything. I don't know what I'm talking. Right now I'm darkening the sides of the canvas. Now the subject is standing out more evenly, and your eyes is going right to the camel and the man. In the end, after doing everything, you need to adjust the curves and the color balance. Now I'm in the camera raw to make the horrible painting at least viewable. So right now the center region is bright and the surrounding is darker. It looks more cool right now. So anyway, that's my painting and my commentary. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the section below on what you learned. I don't know what you learned, but at least uh, guide me on how to digitally paint. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.